Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nacine. I am a mom to 4 beautiful kids. I've lost 65 pounds on keto. Been keto since November 2018. I said I had 4 beautiful kids, right? Because they're pretty beautiful. I have a floofy, fluffy husky and then 2 kitties, and I would really like it if you give me a clicky. Today I am starting out breaking my fast with the leftovers from yesterday, which is the chicken pizza, like casserole type thing, if you want to call it. Not sure what you want to call it. If you haven't seen that, I will link a video to yesterday's video up there in the corner, probably over here is where it usually goes. So basically it's just chicken and tomato sauce and like pizza seasonings and cheese and pepperoni, and it's freaking delicious. So that's what I'm gonna have, just the leftovers, and that's all I'm gonna have. I forgot to, well, I do have the rest of my Milo's famous sweet tea, so that's what I'll be drinking. But other than that, not much going on today. Feeling pretty good. I'm gonna watch some YouTube and eat my lunch. I'll check in with you guys. Make a fathead dough and put it around the hot dogs like pigs in a blanket, kind of like Amanda Snuggies in a blanket. I didn't look at her recipe. I've watched her make it a billion times, so I'm just gonna go off of the fathead dough recipe. I have 2 ounces of cream cheese softened and then 2.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. I'm going to microwave this until it melts, and then I'm going to have to mix it really fast. I already have 2 eggs whisked and then a 1/3 cup of almond flour. I will show you the next step. Mixed up the cheese and melted it with the cream cheese, and you have to be quick about this step because the cheese starts to, like, it's hard. You mix it up. You might have to reheat it a few times, but I got it nice. You want to do it until you get a nice, like, doughy consistency, and then you're going to add in the egg, and then I said a 1/3 cup. It's 3/4 cup of almond flour. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be right back. So basically what I have to do, I added in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I put the whisked eggs in and the almond flours in, and it's going to take a little bit, but I have to basically stir this up until it becomes a dough-like consistency, and it takes a lot of arm work. You can throw in seasonings now if you want your dough to have a taste. Now you can also use this dough to make a pizza, to make bagels, to make bread, anything you want. I'm going to use it to make hot dog like rolls. So you can see it's starting to get doughy, and that's when I'm going to smush it down with some parchment paper and cut it or rip it into pieces and then wrap my hot dog. The process, because it was really hard to record it and do it because the dough gets very sticky very fast, so you have to move quickly. So basically I just rolled the hot dogs up in the dough mixture that you've seen, and then I threw them on this parchment paper. This one is kind of dying. This one is kind of drowning. This one's kind of trying to escape. But I'm gonna let it cool, and as you can see, like it's dough-like, it's bread-like. I'm gonna sprinkle some everything but the bagel seasoning on top of this and get my salad ready, and I'll show you everything plated up. All right, so here it is. I threw on some everything but the bagel seasoning. I got some sugar-free ketchup. I have my homegrown romaine with the Olive Garden ranch and some pork rinds crumbled up on top. I like doing this because it reminds me of croutons. And this is so freaking good. I ripped off a piece. I'll just show you. It looks like bread, right? Tastes like bread. Very good. Makeup is off. Sold Tiffany's bunk bed for $30. I still have the box of Barbies to sell. I'm giving the wrestlers to my boyfriend's son. I have a karaoke machine to sell. I have a bunch of bags of clothes that I need to go through. I was gonna sell some Precious Moment stuff, but I don't know. It's such an iffy market. I just have to sell some stuff to make some money. So let's see, I've so far from selling stuff, I made $80, I think. 80, 75, 80. Yeah. I sold my Mario chess set. I sold 2 Dremels and all the attachments. I sold the bunk bed. Did I sell anything else? Can't remember. This is a completely boring vlog. I'm so sorry, you guys. I don't have anything to say. It was just like a boring day. Like, I came home, I started cleaning. Oh, my friend brought more groceries over for the kids. She got them all kinds of stuff because she spoils them. She got them cereal and milk and Pop-Tarts and stuff. And what is going on with my camera? Please don't go out, phone. I can't handle that. It is acting crazy though, isn't it? Oh my god. I feel like my channel's going to crap. Like, this video is horrible. I'm so sorry, guys. This is a just regular boring day in the life of Keto Mama. I guess I'll close out the vlog because I don't know. I didn't track today because I'm a POS. I'm doing better this week. I did not track. However, I probably went over what... I don't know what I went... I probably didn't go over on anything. I don't know. I need to track tomorrow. I'm getting mad at myself. I know what I have to do. Why do I do this? I lose weight and then I, like, sabotage myself. Does anybody else do that? Comment down below. Alright, guys. Have a good night. While I'm laying here in the darkness of the corner of my couch, even though the sun is still out, it's getting dark, I wanted to remind you guys about my Patreon. Oh, hi. I actually added a video there. Come on. This is horrible. I can't wait for my internet to come back so I can start recording with my freaking camera again. I recorded a grocery haul and I added it to my Patreon yesterday. It will stay there for a couple of days and then it will come to my channel. I'm going to do things now and again like that where they go to my Patreon and then they will then later come to my channel. But I have 3 patrons, Andrea, Kyle, and Samantha, and right now they're going to get some special things. I plan on posting some recipes there and things like that for them. And I mean, you could be a patron for $1. It's not like a set price. You can pick your price and everybody gets all of the same perks. So if it's something you're interested in, it is in the description. And I'm just going to lay here and continue editing.